Hello and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into one of Earth's most fascinating geological events, the tectonic shifting under the Somali Plate, and why East Africa is slowly splitting apart. If you love science explained clearly, hit like, subscribe, and let's begin. The Somali Plate is a minor tectonic plate that includes much of the east coast of Africa, the Horn of Africa, Madagascar, and parts of the Indian Ocean floor. It moves southeast relative to the larger Nubian African plate by a few millimeters per year, roughly the same speed your fingernails grow. Tectonic plates move because of forces deep inside the Earth. In East Africa, the East African Rift System marks a divergent boundary where the Somalian and Nubian plates are slowly moving apart. At the Afar Triple Junction, three rifts meet: the Red Sea Rift, the Gulf of Aden Rift, and the East African Rift, creating a Y-shaped zone of extension that is gradually pulling the continent apart. The East African Rift is a massive tectonic zone that runs from the Afar Triangle in Ethiopia down through Kenya, Tanzania, and beyond. Here, continental crust is stretched and thinned, creating deep valleys, volcanic activity, and frequent earthquakes as the plates separate. As these plates continue to move, the land between them sinks lower and could eventually be flooded by seawater, forming a new ocean basin. But this will take millions of years. Deep beneath the rift, scientists have detected evidence of hot mantle plumes, columns of hot, buoyant rock rising from the deep earth. These plumes push the surface plates apart, thinning the lithosphere and powering rifting. The Somali Plate doesn't sprint, it crawls. Measurements show it's moving at about 6 to 7 millimeters per year relative to the Nubian Plate. That might sound tiny, but over millions of years, small increments like this add up. If this process continues, the gap between plates could widen enough to eventually form a new body of ocean water, sometimes called Earth's potential sixth ocean. This isn't the first time continents have shifted. Hundreds of millions of years ago, supercontinents like Pangaea broke apart to form today's continents. What's happening now in East Africa mirrors that ancient process in slow motion. Scientists study the rift to understand how continents grow, break, and reshape over Earth's history, with implications for earthquakes, volcanoes, and even climate patterns over geological timescales. While the tectonic shift won't affect our lifetimes, its geological consequences are visible today. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and rift valleys are direct results of this plate movement. Communities along the rift must adapt to seismic activity, and scientists continue monitoring the area to better understand hazards and long-term changes. So what happens next? If rifting persists, the space between the Somali and Nubian plates could drop below sea level and be filled with ocean water, creating a new narrow ocean basin over millions of years. While this won't happen tomorrow or even in our children's lifetimes, scientists say it's a real geological outcome, a reminder that Earth's surface is always evolving. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation fascinating, let us know in the comments which geological fact surprised you most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science breakdowns.